We promote Speed Queen primarily as our first line of defense, or our first line of defense. That's probably the wrong wording there. That's what we lead with. It's the most recognizable in the marketplace. Again, they've got phenomenal support at the factory. Parts are widely available. People know how to work on them. Their controls, we covered a little bit, are excellent. Next would be, these two probably equal in terms of what we lead with. One is Continental Grabau. They make a soft mount washer that is super good. It's high 450G extract. It's got the biggest touchscreen display. Very easy to use for the customers. The 450Gs really removes a lot of moisture, so when the dryers will be quote unquote hotter because they don't have as much moisture to remove. They're wonderful machines. And then we've got also Fagor, which is a Spanish made machine as well, that is fairly new in the US, but it's catching ground very quickly. It's got a phenomenal price point. They've got a touch screen as well. It's maybe not as quite as good as what Continental and Speed Queen is on the touch, but it's a great display. We just put a new laundromat up in Nebraska. They love it. They're great machines, 200G extract, and the pricing is really hard to match up with. It really just comes down with sitting with a customer and doing almost what you're doing here with me, is interviewing. And we're asking questions of them is, what are your goals? What are your budgets? We take them around to existing stores that they can go and look at the machines. They can put their hands on them. We can talk about maybe even cost of parts, availability of parts. We can talk about features of the machines, what they're looking for, integration into payment systems. We really try to do our best to listen to the customer, but also educate them and say, okay, what you think this is our experience, this is our customer's experience, and share that knowledge. What we don't ever want is somebody to make a purchase and then they say, wow, I really wish I would have done X instead of Y. If we've done our job properly, we've given them the education, we've given them the knowledge they need to make the best decision based on whatever their goals are.